Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to learn Python for beginners in phone. Open an IDE app and type a simple Hello World script to confirm setup. Focus on core concepts like variables, loops, and functions through short, repeatable exercises. Use tiny daily goals and mini projects to reinforce learning. Keep your sessions under 20 minutes and celebrate each small milestone to maintain momentum. Choose an app that matches your comfort level and device capabilities to avoid friction. Pidroid gives a friendly interface and quick execution, while Termux offers more advanced tooling and package management. Combine an editor, a REPL, and cloud backups to preserve progress and share code. Use a Notes app for cheat sheets and copy frequently used snippets. This simple toolkit keeps practice smooth and reduces setup time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers to your study space and can gently remind you to code. It pairs well with phone learning for hands-free timers and background focus music. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start with short tutorials that introduce one concept at a time and then re-implement examples from memory. Move to micro projects such as calculators, to-do lists, or small games to connect theory with real results. Read other people's code and refactor it to see alternative approaches and neat tricks. Regularly test what you learn by explaining it aloud or teaching a friend to reinforce retention and deepen understanding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.